This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group. The units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA. The TZA14AZ models are basic builder-grade units that are designed for large home-building companies, and their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. They feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage, but they are big box-like units that are lacking in curb appeal. The units have a QR code on the unit which allows quick access to technical data for troubleshooting, and use durable scroll compressors. They have a metal base pan with virtually no sound attenuating features and a resulting sound rating that is close to that of a vacuum sweeper. The TZALAS14 units feature a composite base pan and a better guarantee, but are still relatively loud compared to other brands. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.